Hi guys, today I'm going to cook Thai fried fish with mango salad and fish sauce recipe. It's easy and quick recipe to make, but it really tastes amazing, I promise you. And if you've been to Thailand, you may have had this Thai street food before. Let's see how's it quick and easy to make. Let's make it together, shall we? If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Let me tell you about the ingredient for Pla Krapong tod nam pla. Sea bass. It's gonna be sea bass because it's a lot of meat here. Sea bass is a good fish, the perfect for deep fry because have a lot of meat. It doesn't go too hard when we deep fry. Oil for deep fry. Today I use palm oil because palm oil has a high smoking point. Doesn't smoke too much when we do deep fry. But you can also use canola oil, sunflower oil, extra light olive oil. Some other ingredient we need today is gonna be fish sauce. Today I'm using low sodium fish sauce and soy sauce, palm sugar, Thai chili, shallots, mangoes, and limes. So the cabbage and carrot I will use for garnish. Fish and chips is a common meal in the UK where the fish is battered and fried, but the batter is not good for you. Neither is the oil. But it does taste nice, especially with salt and vinegar. In Thailand, we deep fry our fish without the batter and serve it up with a nice mango salad. So we can keep ourselves how healthy we eat. I will cook savory fish sauce and a nice mango salad to go along with it. I will get the fish ready by sprinkle some salt on the fish and dab it to soak up the water in the fish, and it will help the oil not splash it out onto you so much. I'm gonna do both sides. Not too much. Okay, so it's a good time for me to tell you about I just bought a new wok to stop the sticky in the pan, right? We have to put the heat on high and heat the pan first before we do the deep fry. And I'm going to put some oil. In there. And leave the oil down up for a bit. You see the oil here. I put the oil there. The reason why I'm doing this because I want to coat the oil on the pan because I just bought a brand new one. So it doesn't make my cooking, the food is stick on the pan. And after this, we don't wash with washing up again. We just use the kitchen towel to wipe it up. When you do the cooking or do deep fry, if the smoke's like this, you got to throw the oil away because it's not good for your health. For deep fry temperature, you may use about 380 degrees. Let me tell you about how to check when the oil ready. The surface of the oil will start ripples. You got to put high heat on for deep fry, otherwise you will end up with the greasy food, and not too high because the food will get burned. Let me put the fish in there. Be careful, the oil is hot. Whirl. Gotta put the head on first because the head is hard to cook than the meat. But you got to be careful about the oil, hot oil. When you put the fish in the hot oil, you mustn't turn it over. Just leave it there about 8 to 10 minutes to let the fish cook first. And make sure the oil cover the fish, and moving the fish around like this, which means the fish not stick into the pan. Floating like this. Turn it over. And okay, on this side, if you take less than the first size, it's gonna be about 5 to 7 minutes. Look at that! Look at that fish. Perfect. And I'm gonna leave it here first. I'm going to do sauce for the fish, right? That we put on top the fish. This sauce. Oh, 2 tablespoons from the oil that we just cooked fish, right? And this sauce, soy sauce to less the saltiness from the fish sauce. And some sugar to give this sweetness. Once the sugar dissolves, that will be ready. Don't cook too long, just until the sugar dissolved. I think it's ready. I will add a little bit of water to make the sauce not too sticky, right? And I got to, what's it? Some more sugar. The heat have to be low, otherwise your sauce will get burned. We will make a quick Thai mango salad to balance the sauce that I just made it a minute ago, and it will be quick and yummy. Let's go make it. So add palm sugar first. Then fish sauce about 3 spoons. And lime juice. Make sure don't put too much lime juice in there because you will add mango. The mango will give you a sour. So don't put too much lime juice in there. And then mix this together until the sugar dissolved. And I will add shallot. And then chili. Then mango. Some people they shred the mango, but I will slice the mango up and then julienne it because I want my mango to not too soggy in the sauce in the yum. You can do it my way or you can do the other way. It's up to you guys. I will add some cilantro leaf, make it bit green. And there it is, mango salad. It's quick and easy to make and yummy too. So now I will put it on the plate